Namaste everyone. Today we're going to be focusing on yoga on chair. Now a lot of us, because of the work from home situation and also because we're just constantly sitting on a chair, are getting very tired and exhausted. So if you'd like to take a short work break, this sequence is for you. And also if you're somebody that might have a knee injury or just in general are not able to perform all the standing asanas and the sitting ones, this would be a good medium to practice so that at least you get your yoga in, even if you can't do all the asanas and practices. So let's see what we can do on the chair, alright? First, let's just concentrate for 30 seconds. Get into the right headspace. Sit up tall. Roll your shoulders back. Keep your hands gently on your lap. And just keep your eyes closed. With your eyes closed, focus completely on the changes that are happening in your breath and within yourself. And whenever you're ready to begin the practice, gently open your eyes and come back. Alright, now let's start with our first movement. We're going to interlock your fingers this way. You can do it with me. And we will take our arms all the way up. Alright, so just try and make sure that you're able to get a good stretch from the base of the spine till the top. Elbows are straight, hands are interlocked, and breathe. 1, 2, keep opening your chest with each breath. 3, don't forget to smile. 4 and 5. Now from here, we're just going to add in a lateral movement. So just take your hands towards the right side. We're not going too low yet, just midway. Hold. 1, 2, 3. Continue to open your chest and feel the stretch on the side. And 5. Gently coming back now. We repeat the same movement on the left, slowly towards the left side, extending the arms out as much as you can. Keep breathing. 1, 2, feel the stretch from the base of your right side. 3, 4, open up. And 5, bring the arms back, gently release the hands and slowly come back down. Alright, let's just shake the hands out gently. Perfect. So that was our first movement. We just did an upward stretch and some sideward movements. Now let's add in a spinal twist. Alright, so let's take our right hand. Place it on your left knee and the left hand is going to go behind like this, alright, coming out from this side. Now turning your neck in line with the left shoulder. Turn completely. Stay in position and breathe. 1, 2, keep breathing, and 3. Gently face forward once again, and let's release the arms and repeat the same on the other side. So left hand on the right knee, taking this hand behind and turning your chin in line with the right shoulder. Turn fully, stay, and breathe. 1, 2, open chest deeper as you twist completely. 3, and then slowly come back, release and relax. Alright, now we've also finished doing the twist. Now let's try and do some forward and backward movements. So raising the arms up, inhale and stretch, exhale and start to bend forward. As you bend, see if you can go halfway. Stay here and breathe. 1, 2, now see if you can go a little lower. 3, you're going to feel this in your glutes. 4 and 5. Raise the arms up and release. All right. Okay, let's just move out the shoulders. Now we're going to add in a backward movement so that the spine gets a good sense of flexibility. You're going to interlock your fingers and take them behind, okay, this way. And just come a little ahead on your chair if you can. Now, stretching forward, opening the chest and stretching the arms. Just tilt the head back lightly and breathe. 1, 2, keep breathing and push the chest further forward. 3, 4, keep breathing. And 5. Now release the interlock and bring the hands forward. Alright, so this was our forward and backward movement. Now let's add in a slight lateral stretch, which is going to be deeper than the first one that we did. So this time, right hand goes up, arms in line with the ear, open, stretch, and move towards the left. Now try and go deeper, elbows straight, feeling the oblique muscles activated, and breathe. 1, keep smiling. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Gently back, release your hand down and relax. Same thing now with the left side. Raise the left arm up, straight and stretch, and then take it towards the other side. Try and keep the elbows straight. This arm can be on the thigh. Breathe. 1, 2, open your chest even further. 3, 4, let's shoot the arm forward. And 5, gently back, releasing the arm down, release and relax. Alright, so that brings us to the end of our spinal movements. Let's now focus on our breath for a few seconds and move to the end of today's video. Sit up tall, take a breath in and breathe out. Breathe in again and out. And the last breath in and out. Now slowly open your eyes. Alright, so that was our very simple and short chair sequence. I hope this has helped you to release any tension in your hips and in your spine. I know that working from home and sitting on a chair for so long can really wreak havoc sometimes with our bodies. But if we take these tiny breaks in between and just help the body to relax a bit, I'm sure we can make our bodies feel much better. And if you're injured at the moment, don't worry, your body will come back to full functionality over time. But right now, just focus on giving it a little more range of motion through the chair itself. Thank you for being with us for today's video, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one. Namaste, and we'll see you soon.